Yes, students, now I am going to explain memory protection from memory management topic from operating system subject. Here memory protection is a paged environment, is accomplished by protection bits. They are nothing but valid or invalid bits that are associated with each frame. Normally these bits are kept in the page table. One bit can define a page to be read-write or read-only. Read-write means we can read and write to the page, and read-only means we can read the data from the entire page. Every reference to memory goes to the page table to find the correct frame number. At the same time, that the physical address, whatever the physical address is there, to being computed, the protection bits can be checked to verify that no writes are being made to a read-only page. An attempt to write to a read-only page causes a hardware trap to the operating system. That is also called as memory protection violation. So one more bit is generally attached to each entry in the page table, that is a valid invalid bit. So when this bit is set to valid, this value indicates that the associated page is in the process, that is logical address space, and is thus a legal, that is valid page. If the bit is set to invalid, this value indicates that the page is not in the process, that is logical address space. Illegal processes are trapped by using the valid invalid bit. The operating system sets this bit for each page to allow or disallow access to that page. Here, for example, in a system with a 14-bit address space, means 0 to 16,383 entries are there, we may have a program that should use only addresses 0 to 10468 given a page size of 2 KB. So addresses in pages 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 are mapped normally through the page table. Any attempt to generate an address in pages 6 or 7 find that the valid invalid bit is set to invalid, and the computer will trap to the operating system, that is invalid page reference. And we are using the page table length register, that is PTLR. So some systems provide hardware in the form of a page table length register to indicate the size of the page table. So how many pages are there, how many entries are there in the page table, that is length we are going to calculate. So that's why it is called as a page table length register. This value is checked against every logical address to verify that the address is in the valid range for the process. Failure of this test causes an error drop to the operating system. Now we have a diagram here, valid or invalid bit in a page table. So here observe, all these are the addresses and a number of here pages are there. So in a system with a 14-bit address space, we are going to take, so it is taking, so of page 0, page 1, page 2, how many pages are there? 6 pages are there, and in the page table we are representing all these pages now. So these are the frame numbers. So the pages which are valued in a particular frame number, everything they gave. V is nothing but valid bit, I is nothing but invalid bit, and now in the physical memory how they are going to map. Means in the frame 2, page 0 we have to keep. Next observe, 0 and 0 will be there, means in the frame 0 means already they are invalid, so they are representing with 0 only. So like that we can represent the valid or invalid bits to the particular frame, to the particular pages in the frames.